This bill puts the punctuation of accomplishment on legislation introduced by the senator of the 35th District 5 years ago. Senate Bill 776 adopts the federal language that bans partial birth abortions. This language faced several court challenges, the federal legislation. However, the U.S. Supreme Court upheld its constitutionality in the Gonzalez versus Carhart case on April 18th of 2007. The purpose of Senate Bill 776 is threefold. One, we have been told by the Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals that we have had it wrong with Michigan's Legal Birth Definition Act. This time, we're using a federal language banning partial birth abortions that has already passed judicial muster. Number two, we want to have added statewide enforcement. Michigan should enact this legislation in order to provide that enforcement by our Attorney General and county prosecutors. The federal law is only enforced by federal attorneys who may be focused on other issues. Number three, we want the legacy of this troubled issue to be one in which the people's voice is the enduring legacy of this legislature. That voice was so strongly expressed in the petition drive of 2004 to override the governor's veto of the previous attempt to ban partial birth abortions. Now, Mr. Chairman, it will be argued that a state law that mirrors a federal law is duplicative and unnecessary. But Michigan's compiled laws are replete with laws that mirror federal laws. Certainly, that's true of our Constitution, our Michigan Constitution, as it enumerates rights that are identified in the U.S. Constitution's Bill of Rights, and other examples abound. Recently, state election laws have been established mirroring federal election laws. And Mr. Chairman, while there may be a point of division on the abortion issue, few people differ on the egregious nature of partial birth abortions, a practice not worthy of a civilized society. Michigan should have its own footprint, even a baby's footprint, on the record of enacted laws as our legacy of profound respect for that first right enumerated in the Declaration of Independence.